Hello, welcome back to TV Coder here. In today's video, I will teach you about ASP.NET MVC 5 framework and also using a web API and also using AngularJS, and also we approach a database first. So right now I'm going to show you how to make it a login page. So let's get started. So I didn't already have some AngularJS scripts. You need to go on the Nugget. So go in here, click here, and right click. Just click the Manage Nugget package, and it's shown right here. So you need to install it if you didn't install, and just check on my project and install it. It takes some time to install it to my project. Okay, it's shown right there. You must click OK. Each packet is licensed to you by its owner. Nugget is not responsible for, nor does it grant any license to third-party packages. Okay, it's already installed. It's lots of Angular. Let's see. You can use this one, Angular main.js, for production. If you want to use a development, I recommend using this. Just need to close this one, and you need to add to your bundle. And there is a lots of this one. I need to make it one to make it some simpler for categorize for the Angular. Just need to add bundles.add is a new script bundle. Is you must use double quotes here using C#. I want to set bundles is Angular. It's up to you. Dot include. Oh, sorry, in here. Don't forget to semicolons. I'm stored at. This is the root of the files, is script. I want the name of the Angular is angular.main.js. Just need to name it exact on inside this file script. Sorry, inside this folder script is angular.main.js. So you need to save it. Just Ctrl+Shift+V is build entire project and save the entire your unsaved file. And you need to go back into your layout. Just use the script, and let's see, it's shared, it's layout. I'm using a scripts. Render bundles. Don't forget to use double quotes. Bundles is let's see. Go back to the bundle config. Just need to copy and paste to make it simpler. With bundles Angular. So you need to build to make it safe to my project. Otherwise you need to start from the beginning. And after that we need to create some controllers, and need to add this one. And we already had some user controller right here. Just need to copy and paste, make it add a new script file .cshtml. Just new item is HTML page is login .cshtml. Just add. It's already created, and I want to make it form method is post action is from, I want to name it user. Is a API. Since I'm using API, I don't really need this one. Just need a tag without the method and action, and need to use input type text, name username, ID username. Just make it a template form first. Label for username is a username. Is another one. Label for password is a password. Input type text, name password, ID password. Sorry, it's not text, it's a password. Need to rename it. Just need to use placeholder. Enter your username here. Placeholder. Enter your password here. Just make it a button. It's a button. Type button. ID is login button. Just to name it is login, and another one. ID register button is register. Just need to save it, and you need to make some action inside the controller. Just use a user controller. Is a public action result login is a return view. Okay, need to build this project. We already need to save it, and I need to control F5 to running this program. It takes some times. Then just need to access the user login, and it's already created, but still need works to do to make it a beautiful page. And we'll make another one. Let's see. Add new item, register .html, sorry, cshtml. Need to use tag form. But since we are using API, we don't really need a method and ID, because I need to set on the JavaScript file on its Ajax. If you don't know about Ajax, just watch this video still, and need to make it layout for the register page is label for username. This is a basic HTML. We're not doing on the back end yet, just need to connect with action to the view. Input type text, name username, ID username, placeholder, enter your username here. Second one, label for password is a password. Input type text, sorry, not text, sorry, it's a password. Just some mistakes happen when I'm talking to the tutorial, sorry guys. It's a name, password, ID password, placeholder, enter your password here, and need to add button. Is a button, type is a button, is a ID, reg button is a register. So we already make a layout. We didn't style them for them yet. Just make sure the framework we already done for this. Oh, I really forgot. We need to add your action to make it work. Public action result, register, return, view. Just need to save with Ctrl+Shift+V, save the entire project on. So we built this file. Start without debugging, just using Ctrl+F5, user, register. Okay, it's done, but we need to work out on this styling this. So we're going to styling this, but first we need to connect your layout page. Since this is the roots one, we need to connect with the these layouts on this shared folder right here. So let's see the example of we need to connect the view, and you need to use a view back title and the layout so it works. So we need to copy and paste it. Okay, just need to change the title is a login. And let's see the login page. Need to connect with the layout first. Sorry, it's not login, it's a register. Need to copy and paste. And you need to save. Save using Ctrl+Shift+V to save the entire project while building. and you need to since we are using default with Microsoft Edge, just need to change with the Google Chrome. It doesn't matter you are really good on the Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. It's up to you. And we still need to style them yet. So we already connect with Bootstrap form, so I need to use a styling template class form control class form control. Label is class control label, class control label. Button class is it's a btn success. For register, I'm using class btn info. The difference is the color, so you need to save it to make it. I need to show you how the looks like. It looks like this, but we need to make it more beautiful. Just need to use div class row and no backspace. Just save it and build. And need to make sure need to give some space with this label and also with the headers. And this one. And refresh. And we're done. So next need to go this way, and we need to styling this one using a Bootstrap template. Div class row, no backspace. I need to make sure keep a distance with the headers and also the contents. Label class control label, class form control, class control label, class form control, class using btn info. So I need to save. Okay, go back to this one. The login is the same. Need to go to register. And it looks same this. And we need to set some our script for the web API. Need to go set this AngularJS new folder. I need to categorize of my project. Each example for the users need to the name is for user folder and store on its file scripts. I already made them. So okay, I just wrongly put. I should make on the scripts, but accidentally make it on the view. So sorry guys, just script add new folder is a user and make it add JavaScript file into only one file, controller.js. So we already defined the Angular.js, so we need to define of our project is for app equals Angular dot app. Need to use the name module is my module, and the second parameter is you want to include what kind of projects related of the Angular. But this time I didn't want to add this one because I don't really need that for now. It's an app, controller, my controller function. Need to use scope and also HTTP. Need to set of the what I'm doing for the action when I'm using a login. Press the login button and also press the register button. So what I'm going to do, so you need to do some scope add user equals function, and I need to test this out, alert register page to make it work. Scope login function. We didn't add some API controller yet, but we need to do on the next part. So this one need to do some designing our page to make it work. Login page, because I need to build from the scratch. Do login. Just save using Ctrl+Shift+V, since we need to save all the entire of this one project. So I already add this one, so you need to add some of the bundles. So app start, bundle config, bundles dot add new script bundle, bundles is a user that include the autocomplete is really annoying. Scripts and user is a controller.js. Need to save this bundle config. The bundle users is already created, so you need to use on your HTML. Need to add scripts dot render. Need to copy and paste bundles user, and this copy and paste. So the next thing, you need to add some ng module and ng app and ng controller. So form ng module, ng app. The app name is my module, and for the ng controller, need to use my controller. Just if you want to use on click, just you need to use data ng click. So need to click for the register is add user. Use this one as a method. Login or data ng click is do login. So you need to save this one to make it work. Need to test them out. I hope it runs well. Need to test them out. So, okay, it's not working. Angular app is not a function. So need to skip this video. Okay, sorry guys, I just had some mistakes. It's not Angular app, it's Angular.module. So it's my mistake, sorry guys. Control Shift and B. Okay, I just use a typo. It's a double L. Okay, it should work. For the login. So for login, you need to set up your another ng app and also ng controller and also ng click. So we didn't define yet for the ng model, sorry, ng app and also ng controller. So form ng app is my module. And for ng controller, using my controller, okay, just need to save it. Using Control Shift V, save an entire project. Sorry, entire file in one project. I need to test is already done. Is alert is already shown. And the next part, we do some core of this login page. So we need to add some API controller and Ajax. So again, thank you guys for watching. And so this video, I will need to do some designing of the page from the scratch using a Bootstrap and also basic CSS a little bit. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my contents, make sure you guys to subscribe to my channel, put a thumbs up on my videos. Don't forget to share this video if you guys like it. Don't forget to turn on notification. Just hit that bell beside the subscribe button. And the next part of the video, again, I need to tell you more about adding some API controller and also adding this one with the Ajax. So again, check out my Facebook page and my Twitter account. Make sure you follow, like them. I will put my social media links in this video description down below. I will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye for now. Stay tuned.